Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another non-phone data entry work from home job lead for you, again in the healthcare field. This one is going to provide all the computer equipment for you that you need to get started. Just know if you're interested in applying, the links are in the YouTube description box below this video. But this has been featured on this channel before. The company ExamWorks is hiring a data entry associate. Now, this is going to be remote within the United States only, but they are looking for someone to gather, organize, and prepare their source documents for data entry into the appropriate system database. You'll review the data for discrepancies, missing pages, or missing information, and you'll resolve those discrepancies by using their standard procedures or returning incomplete documents to your team leader for resolution. You'll be entering both alphabetic and numeric data from the source documents into the system database. Once you enter that data, you'll review the data against the original source document to make sure that you entered it correctly, and if you didn't, you'll correct any data entry errors or duplications. So it is literally straight data entry. They are looking for someone who can work the 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time shift Monday through Friday. So this is a standard daytime position. If you're outside of that time zone, you might want to convert your time zone to see if those hours work for you. Now, again, they provide all the office equipment for you. That includes phone, screen, keyboard, mouse, virtual desktop, anything that you may need. They don't require any kind of college degree, just a high school diploma or equivalent, and a minimum of 6 months of related experience. They're looking for someone who has knowledge of multiple software programs, mainly Microsoft Word, Excel, Outlook, and of course you need to be able to use the internet. They're looking for someone who can type a minimum of 40 words per minute. And of course, someone who can maintain confidentiality. These documents you're going to be doing data entry from do have people's protected health information on them, so you'll have to be able to follow all the HIPAA guidelines. Now, while ExamWorks did not list their salary in the job description, that will have to be asked at the time of the interview. I did a little bit of research on their GlassDoor page, and there are several listings for data entry clerks for ExamWorks. They range anywhere from $35,000 a year. Some are at the midpoint at $37,000 a year. Others go as high as $39,000, $40,000 a year. So you can expect this job to pay anywhere from $35,000 to $40,000 a year, which is going to be in the $16 to $19 an hour range. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.